Hey everyone, we are super excited over here at Team Temp-tations, where we have just been reviewing our 31 days of Temp-tations for the month of August, and so excited to be sharing with you not only new products, special promotions that we're gonna have. I'm moving into a better light, there I am. Yay! So many exciting things, from new product launches, new product categories that we're so excited about. Everybody knows that August is your place to check in to see everything brand new from Temp-tations. Of course, returning favorites, which so many of you love. Hey, Kaylin, nice to see you. She says, I'm so excited. Melissa Epps on the board watching. Hello, my friend. She says hi. You're going to want to stay tuned. We're going to meet all of the team that makes this amazing machine run. So it is not just done by one person, that is for sure. We always joke it takes a village, and we are small but mighty. Hello, Carol. Hello, Kathy. Good to see everyone. So before we jump into the product, I'm going to flip it around so that you can say hi to everybody. This is the dream team. We have all of our food stylists here. We have everybody that makes everything happen. We'll start over here with Joyce. She's the head of our design. Yay! We have Charlie, he's one of our designers. Hi, everyone. We have Chad and Steve, they're part of our finance team. They're awesome. Charlie, our IT guy, he's what makes it all function. We have Bryn, she's a director of merchandising for us. Who's that? Hey, Ed's here. There's Shane, he's part of our styling team. Of course, we have Tony, part of our styling team. Kevin, part of our styling team. This is my mother. Hello, Mom. And of course, her dog, Cody. Hello, Phyllis. Hello, Terry. Hi. Rosalia's there. Hey, Rosalia. This is Maureen. She's part of our team. Bill, he is a man of many, many talents, I gotta tell you. From analytics, photography, anything you can think of, you name it. We have Celeste, part of our food styling team. I think you know her. Oh, hey there, Lisa. And then, of course, we have Joy. She's one of our other director of merchandising. She can make these products come to life. And Karen Fonner in the house. Of course, that is our incredible dream team that we are blessed to work with every day. We also have our New York crew up at Ballard, part of our customer service and our warehousing, which is incredible. So we just had kind of a little pep rally this morning, getting everybody excited about all the new product launches. Hi, Mom. Hi, Ed. Special shout out you get. So sweet. Hey, Sherry, good to see you. Melissa says best team ever. Just kidding. Okay, so here's what we had. We have our kickoff of our 31 days. Some say 13, some say 31. Lisa, what? Can't do it. 31 days of Temp-tations. We are so excited. So just a couple, please say thanks to your team for all the great products. Hey, Patty. I want to thank you for saying that. I really, really appreciate it. I'm getting emotional. We work so hard to bring you these amazing products that not only you love to collect, but add to your family and friends. Whew, someone's emotional this morning. Okay, so look at how cute. We have some of our holiday new launches that you haven't even seen yet. We have some staple pieces that many of you are gonna love. Whoop, whoop, Sherry said. We have brand new microfiber towels with removable mitt sets. We're going to do a little giveaway on that too, by the way. So stay tuned. We have some of your holiday, your harvest, your pumpkin patch. Can we just talk about how stinking cute? We have little entertaining sets we'll talk about. Little figural teapots we're going to talk about. Look at how sweet all of your dinnerware products are going to be. Some of your big sets that we love. Who dat? Look how cute! I just love how stinking cute our buffetti is. So this is gonna be your chance to see your buffetti, your harvest, your pumpkin patch, some of your everyday colors that you love to collect. I know many of you have seen our lit pitcher. Do you see all these sneaking in? There's so much to show you. We had so much fun setting up our showroom and getting really, really excited. We're gonna debut our stemless wine glasses. That's exciting. Some of our figural pie plates. That's really, really exciting. And then, of course, our microfiber towels, where we did some cute sentiments on it. Look at these sets of 4. Aren't they just so happy? More fall, please. I got to tell you, Denise, if you don't see fall here, I don't know what to tell you. We have Frankie. He's going to make his debut. He's shy, so he's hiding in the back there. But wait till you see him. He's so cute. And then, of course, we did our stacked pumpkins. Did you guys notice the mini loaves? Really? In the cute little gift boxes? Seriously? So cute. All right, so here's the deal. We promised a giveaway. There was my finger. Sorry about that. It's my first day. We need you to name our brand new character. I can't stand how cute he is. He's an adorable little reindeer. He's going to be part of our Whimsy collection. So there you see him playing with all his friends. He's got his snowman and his little penguin and his gingerbread guy. We need a name for him. So here's the deal. We would love for you to comment below. We would love for you to hashtag TT reindeer name and give us your suggestions on how stinking cute he is and what we should name him, so that when we roll out on August 1st, Susan wrote, "Oh my God, I'm going to go broke, but I love it so much." Susan, you're adorable. Rosalie, I used to think he's cute. You need to name him. I need some names. I think this would be so fun. And we're going to randomly pick the winner, and because we don't know how many duplicate names we're going to get, and we're going to gift either one of our Harvest little mitten towel set, walk with me, our Buffetti mitten towel set. I haven't even showed you the magic of this. That mitt snaps off and becomes its own separate piece. Mind blown. And then look how cute this. We have, of course, our pumpkin patch. Absolutely love it. So excited about all of this and so excited to share with you our 31 days of Temp-tations. We will obviously be kicking it off on August 1st and we will run throughout the whole month. Come check out things on Temp-tations.com. Check out things on QVC.com, as well as everything on air. We're going to have our shows. We're going to have limited edition pieces. We're going to have new launches. We're going to have returning favorites. So everything we can possibly think. Did I forget anything, anybody? Oh, QVC calendar, Lisa, always keeping us on task. Here's the deal. We don't know when these items will launch. We know that they're going to be sometime in the month of August. So I just want to fully disclose. We will keep the calendar updated so that you can see when things will be launching, because we don't know exactly when. We just know we have awesome products, really exciting promotions and everything to share with all of you. And the 31 days of Temp-tations, we've been doing this now. I think this is our 7th year, and we are excited in our 17-year celebration of sharing Temp-tations with all of you. You guys are amazing. We love to say this is like our Super Bowl. We get to show all the great fun stuff the team has been working on. So take care of yourself. And good to hear from all of you. And remember, give us some names down below. It will be great. And Lisa and I and the team look forward to seeing you throughout the month of August. Bye.